In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify. We're going to walk through the basic setup flow for finding a product on Alibaba and sending it over to Shopify using DSers. If you're new to dropshipping, this process is a useful way to move from product research into actually preparing items for your store. To begin, head over to Alibaba.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and find the dropshipping option. This section is designed specifically for sellers who want to source products without buying large amounts of inventory upfront. So it's the right place to start if your goal is Shopify dropshipping. After you click on dropshipping, select Start Dropshipping. This will take you into Alibaba's dropshipping product area where you can browse items that are more suitable for this business model. Take your time here and look through the available products carefully. Even though this tutorial is focused on the connection process, it's still a good idea to choose an item that fits your niche, has clear images, and looks like something you'd feel confident listing in your store. Once you've found an item you want to use, click on it and then choose the import option. This is the step that begins transferring the product into the app that will connect Alibaba with your Shopify workflow. When the import options appear, select the DSers partner to connect to Shopify. DSers acts as the bridge between the supplier product and your Shopify store, which helps simplify the importing process. If you plan to manage multiple products later, using a tool like this can make your workflow much smoother. Next, click Import to DSers. At this point, Alibaba will pass the product information into DSers so you can continue the setup there. Depending on your browser or account status, you may be redirected automatically. If prompted, log into your DSers account. Make sure you use the account that is connected to your Shopify store so the import goes to the right place. After logging in, the product should appear inside DSers where you can continue preparing it for your Shopify store. That's the core process. Go to Alibaba, open the dropshipping section, start browsing, choose a product, import it, select DSers, and log in to complete the handoff. From there, you'll be in a much better position to organize products for your Shopify storefront and keep building your dropshipping business efficiently. Thanks for watching.